Well, I'm headed to Bringle Lake. I got up this morning and was just itching to get out of the house. So I loaded up my Old Town kayak. It's just a little touring kayak, 9 foot long. Got it in the back of the truck. I rigged up one fishing pole. Brought a few lures. But it's just a light trip. I'm not taking a whole lot of stuff. I'm not taking the bass raider because my trailer that I use to haul it around is full of leaves and I haven't got those to the junk yet. So I thought I'd just throw in the kayak, and used to, that's what I fished out of. You know, I got rid of my bass boat because I got tired of all the expense that was associated with it, and we started fishing out of kayaks. I love it. But the bass raider is a lot of fun, and it's perfect for this lake up here that I'm going to. But we're going to try to go catch a few crappie. I've got a little spot that I normally do pretty good at. We are getting a little bit of light rain, so I may get rained out. I don't know. I brought me a rain slicker. As long as it doesn't get too heavy, I'll be all right. I'm not planning on staying a real long time. I just kind of wanted to see if they were biting out here. So that's what we're doing. I just thought I'd drop a quick video, and hopefully I can show y'all catching some crappie out of my kayak in a little bit. It looks like the rain's starting to get a little bit heavier, kind of figures. But also noticed, since I did my Bilstein shocks on my truck, I'm hearing a squeak in the back end, and I think that it is one of my rear spring shackles. Now, I've read that on these Nissan trucks, and mine's a 06, that some people have had their rear spring hanger separate on them, come uncoiled, and sent their spring up through the bed of the truck. I keep an eye on mine. So far they look fine, but since I'm hearing this squeak, I may just go ahead and order me some new ones, get some that I know won't come uncoiled, and more of a preventative type thing than anything. I imagine you'd have to place the whole bed of your truck if you popped a hole up through it. I don't know. But the Bilsteins ride really good. I'm really happy with them. I like that the front end's up just a tad bit higher. It leveled it out, made it look a little better. But I'm happy with the ride. I've been over speed bumps, down some dirt roads. Fixing to go down a short dirt road when I go up to the lake. I really like the way it rides. Of course, it's 100% better than the way it was, because after I took my old struts or shocks off, they were wore out. I should have done it a long time ago. But anyway, 100% better. Thumbs up to Bilstein. I love the shocks. But anyway, I'll get with y'all a little later and hopefully show y'all where I'm at and catching some crappie. All right, we are at Bringle Lake. I'm fixing to untie the kayak and get everything ready to go into the water. Nice and calm, mirror finish on the lake. I'm gonna go off over in there, see if there aren't some crappie biting. I don't see any other boats out here. It is hazy. Beautiful. But without further ado, let's get everything unloaded and get in the water. All right, I got everything unloaded. Kind of what my setup is. Like I said, I pack light. In this particular kayak, I don't carry a whole lot. I do have some bigger kayaks that I can take a lot more. One of them actually has pole holders and all that on the kayak itself. I don't have any kind of phone mounts or anything like that, so I don't know what type of shots I'll be getting for y'all, but we're going to give it a go. Let's go. All right, I'm spot I'm gonna try first. Boat ramps over there. So nice out here.